Hello and welcome. In today's video, we're reviewing Zwift, the immersive virtual workout app for cyclists and runners that brings gamified training right to your home. But is it really worth the investment, or just another flashy fitness fad? Let's take a look. Zwift puts you in a vibrant 3D world like Watopia, allowing you to ride or run in virtual environments with group rides, races, structured workouts, and real-time stats tracking. It's compatible with smart trainers and bikes, works across multiple devices, and syncs seamlessly with apps like Strava. On the plus side, the gamified experience keeps motivation high with in-game badges, customizable avatars, and a massive community for social rides and events. New smarter trainer prices and upcoming hardware like the Zwift Ride make getting started more accessible than ever. However, there are trade-offs. Zwift requires a monthly subscription, around $20 per month, smart equipment, and a strong internet connection to run smoothly. Some users report setup challenges, repetitive route visuals, and glitches like drop sensor connections or overwhelming graphics. So is Zwift worth it? If you're into cycling, especially indoor training during off-season, and want an engaging community-driven platform, Zwift is absolutely worth it. The immersive experience, structured workouts, and virtual camaraderie make it more than just exercise, it's a hobby. But if you're on a budget, prefer minimalist interfaces, or just need a simple fitness routine, Zwift's cost and setup may outweigh its appeal. And that would be all for today's review video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.